Everyone, my name is Abhishek Padi and welcome to another video on Blogger. So in this video I am going to show you how you can install an anti-adblock script on your Blogger website. So first of all, let's understand how adblocker affect your income. So if a user uses adblock on its browser, then there will be no ads shown to him, and as a result no impressions or click is generated from that user's visit to your website. So you can simply counter it by using an ad blocker script on your website. So first of all, go to the website. I have given the link on the description. So copy the whole code and go to the theme section of your Blogger dashboard and click on edit HTML, and then you have to find the closing head tag. Click on blank area and type Ctrl+F and it will open a search bar. Then type /head tag and click enter. Then paste the code just after the closing head tag. As you can see, I am already paste this code. Then click on save changes. Let's test this code if it is working or not. As you can see, it shows a warning to close the ad blocker, and in my case it is working perfectly. So if you are facing any problem, then ask me in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. And if you are new to this channel, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.